everyone, and thanks for logging on to my channel again. I'm Freddie King, Freddie King's Home Decor. Today's remodel is a dining room. I love remodeling days. Before I get to that project, however, I wanted to share with you what I found at my local Kirklands. If you are interested in sprucing up your space and getting everything ready for spring, make sure you visit your local Kirklands store. They have the most beautiful vases in stock. You just cannot go wrong. Look at this beautiful item that I found at the local Kirklands. This white vase is durable, it's sturdy, it has a woven pattern that you can accessorize with almost anything. Ideal for making a floral arrangement, putting some artificial flowers in it of some sort, but it is just the right piece to add that pop of color and character. The vase itself has character to your simplest of designs. I love Kirklands, I love HomeGoods, I love at home, all things home decor. But don't stop right there. There's another fashion finds in the home decor area that I found at the local Kirklands store. This beautiful vase here, I shouldn't say little vase. This is a gorgeous big vase with a glass top. As you can see, it's ideal for filling the center dome part of it with whatever item you choose. I'm sure I will use this vase for the kitchen area. I can put in artificial fruit. For a bathroom or a table area, I can put in potpourri. You can do just about anything. In the center, I can use a large candle. Whatever it is that you decide to accessorize with, this will be perfect for you to bring in the spring. Bring in the spring, should I say. Those are the two items that I found at the local store this week. Stay tuned as I share with you more home decor fashion finds by Freddie King. Okay, as mentioned, the project for this video is a complete dining room remodel. And by complete, that's the table setting, the china cabinet, wall decor, and drapes. For this particular project, I'm aiming for a somewhat vintage look, but not retro. Let the work begin. All right, it's TBR time. TBR time. You know what that means. The big reveal. Let's go. Okay everyone, that concludes this video for this dining room remodel. I had a wonderful time. In the future, we'll complete videos of dining room remodels that do not have the table setting. Show you some ideas of how you can just set it up with other home decor pieces to make it more spacious, more elegant, more whatever you want. Until next time, I'm Freddie King. This is Freddie King's Home Decor. Hope to see you soon.